Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Wilson, private travel planner and CEO of Create My Adventure Travel, and today I'd like to share with you my top 10 packing tips. One of the questions I get asked most often when planning a trip is, what should I pack? And unfortunately, there's no single answer for this. You can download every ultimate packing list you come across online and never find one that suits every traveler's needs. So instead of telling you what to pack, I'm going to advise you on how to pack, and hopefully this will make your next trip a little bit easier. Rolling your clothes and packing them first will create the most room in your luggage. And if you're looking to save even more space, you can use vacuum bags. Remember to pack all of your medications and vitamins along with any prescriptions that go with them. Also be sure that you will have enough to last you through your entire trip. If you are traveling with a prescription medication, make sure you have the prescription that goes with it as well. Make a packing list while you put your items into your suitcase to ensure that you don't leave anything behind when you pack to come home. Just don't forget to pack the list. Find out the luggage regulations and restrictions for your airline before you start packing. Many airlines allow a free personal item, a carry-on, and a luggage, but some charge extra for each, and all airlines have a luggage size and weight requirement. Pack your most essential items in your carry-on or personal bag. This should include legal documents and IDs, medications, chargers, and at least 1 day's worth of clothing, in case your luggage doesn't make it to your final destination or arrives late. Don't pack items that you aren't willing to lose, even if you have really good insurance. Things get left behind all the time. Luggage gets lost. Jewelry can be washed away in the ocean. Even though we don't like to think about it, pickpocketing is a real thing. Pack clothing that you can mix and match with other pieces to create different outfits for every day. This way, you can pack fewer items overall. Be sure to pack a sweater or a jacket and a pair of long pants, even if you're going somewhere warm. Mornings and evenings tend to be a little chilly, as well as buildings with strong air conditioning. Don't pack things that will already be provided for you. Almost all hotels and resorts offer basic toiletries such as soap, shampoo, conditioner, and a towel. Not only will these take up room in your luggage, but you also risk anything liquid leaking into all of your other belongings. If you're not sure what is offered, you can always call ahead and ask, or have your travel agent get some more information for you. Bring more than one method of payment, such as a debit card, credit card, and physical cash, and keep them separate so that if you lose your wallet or purse, you will still be able to make it through your trip. Because you made it to the end of my video, I'm going to share a couple more tips with you, because that's what I do. It may sound silly, but a scarf is multi-purposeful. You can use it for warmth, as a pillow on the plane, to wrap fragile souvenirs, or to carry items around. My recommendation is to pack about 1 week before you leave. Any further out than that may cause you to want to keep throwing more things into your suitcase. Guilty. Or to unpack, reevaluate your options, and repack with all new items. Double guilty. And you certainly don't want to wait until the night before you leave to pack. You want to make sure you have time to look for all the things that you actually do want to take with you. Alright, well I hope you all found this video helpful and you feel a little more prepared to pack for your next adventure. Now if you are looking for more of a packing list, the best thing you could do is talk to your travel planner and ask them what's going to be recommended for your specific destination. If you're interested in finding out more about me, private or group travel, or Create My Adventure, you can visit me at createmyadventure.com. If you're ready to start planning your next adventure and would like to schedule your first consultation with me, you can find all of my information in my profile, or check out the links below. Please be sure to like and comment to show some love. Subscribe to my channel so that you're always the first to know about new content. And share this video with someone you think would benefit from the information. Thanks for watching!